So in 1965, Alan Stillman started TGI Fridays as a local corner bar. And that's really what our heritage is, all around having fun, making every day a Friday. One of the main reasons why we use Stripe Shoe, our learning management system with Cornerstone, is to ensure brand protection. All of our restaurants, we want to make sure are following the same brand curriculum so that they're providing the same guest experience in a customized approach for our guests. One thing that we've been doing with Cornerstone is to work very collaboratively on redesigning the look and the design, the whole user experience of Stripe Shoe, so that when they come in, they know they're not just taking training that could be at any company.
When we develop training for millennials, which is a huge part of our population, the first thing I look at is, why are we making the change? The second thing is giving them a real-life, believable situation. Giving them something that is likely to come up in their real life is much more likely to create learning.
At the end of 2012, we had a major training initiative around Friday service style that used online videos in Stripe Shoe along with on-the-job experience in the restaurant. One key component of that was incorporating observation checklists, where general managers or area directors could come and observe team members interacting and engaging with the guests, and then coach them based on the results of those observation checklists. One amazing aspect of Friday's culture is innovation. So we're looking at mobile devices and expanding the training even further in mobile devices so that not only would our management, but potentially our team members may be able to access training through mobile devices. From a training perspective, when I hear the word empowerment, I immediately think of our philosophy that every person owns his or her own development. In Stripe Shoe, we actually have a career map for our team members so they can see all the way from being a host or a dishwasher, all the way up to being an area vice president, and the development that we have in Stripe Shoe to get them at that level.
Becoming a server, accomplishing that goal was great in and of itself. Moving up to the bar gave me that much more confidence. People look up to you in the bar, and the fact that I went from an 18-year-old server that had never served tables before all the way up to a bartender in TGI Fridays, it was a great accomplishment.
With the back of house, we've gotten phenomenal feedback on the use of videos so that they can see the performance. With our bartenders, they can clearly see how to make the certain drinks that have a new skill set. That's been a huge change for us. I've been thrilled to be able to see clear indication between those restaurants that have completed our menu implementation training and an increase of up to 9 points in our Net Promoter Score versus the restaurants that didn't complete the training on time. We also saw with the Friday service style training that the whole system throughout the US had a 2-point increase in Net Promoter Score based on that training that was in a blended approach with Stripe Shoe.
One of the biggest benefits of the Cornerstone system for me is the data we can gather from our system.
They're able to track and report and use dashboards to really be able to not just monitor, but really coach their team members toward areas of performance so that it provides a better guest experience.
I know what kind of people are taking training, who's doing it, and it literally gives me the ability as a learning professional to reach every individual in the field in a way I never could before.